Panduit, as a leading provider of network infrastructure solutions, is committed to delivering a future-proof fiber solution. Introducing Panduit Pre-Terminated Cabling System, a simple and efficient solution that eliminates the needs for splicing, making installation hassle-free and seamless. This system features factory-tested trunks, ensuring consistent performance. With its plug-and-play functionality, installation becomes effortless, significantly reducing deployment time. Furthermore, this cabling system is future-proof as it can be easily reused for future migrations to 40G and beyond. In our video, we will compare the fiber installation process using the new pre-terminated plug-and-play solution with the conventional LC splicing method. The comparison will focus on two aspects: the equipment required and the associated cost difference, as well as the efforts involved in the installation process and the difference in labor costs. For conventional LC splicing method using Fusion Splice, we will require one splice module, pigtail, one LC adapter, one bulk fiber cable, and one Fusion Splicer machine. However, with the pre-terminated plug-and-play solution, only one MPO to LC cassette, and one factory-tested MPO trunk cable are needed. Based on the listing, the equipment costs are comparable between pre-terminated plug-and-play solution and splicing solution. For the conventional LC splicing method using Fusion Splice, the Fusion Splice machine can easily cost you $15,000. Next, we will demonstrate the installation process, comparing the new pre-terminated plug-and-play solution with the conventional LC splicing method using Fusion Splice. In the conventional method, the network engineer carefully prepares the fiber by stripping the outer jacket and meticulously cleaning the ends to ensure they are free from any dirt or debris. The fibers are then precisely cut using a fiber cleaver, and it will be aligned in a Fusion Splicer to achieve a high quality and low insertion loss splice. After that, these pigtails can be effortlessly plugged into the rear panel adapter, which contain a LC coupler connector. However, when using the pre-terminated plug-and-play solution with MPO trunk cable, the splicing process is unnecessary. The MPO trunk cable is factory terminated and tested to ensure consistent performance. Network engineers can simply remove the protective covering of the MPO trunk cable connector and directly plug the MPO connector into the rear panel cassette, which contain an MPO connector. Based on this demonstration, the installation time for the conventional LC splicing method is estimated to be 24 minutes for connecting 12-core fiber cables. By utilizing the pre-terminated plug-and-play solution with MPO trunk cable, the installation time for connecting 12-core fiber cables all at once is reduced to less than 1 minute. It is more than 90% reduction of installation effort. The MPO trunk cable offers a faster and simpler installation process with plug-and-play solution and guaranteed performance as it undergoes factory testing. Additionally, it contributes to waste reduction and promotes reusability, making it an environmentally friendly solution. The MPO trunk cable also provides future-proofing capabilities, allowing for easy reusability during future migrations to 40G and beyond. Panduit Pre-Terminated Plug-and-Play Solution is a growing, sustainable approach to structured cabling that efficiently streamlines the deployment of network services. For more information, please visit our website.